Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your wallet in Trust Wallet. First, download the Trust Wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and choose to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Remember to carefully write down your 12-word recovery phrase and keep it extremely secure. This phrase is the only way to restore your funds if you lose access to your device. Now, let's connect to a decentralized application. Open the D app in your web browser or through the Trust Wallet's built-in D app browser. Find the Connect Wallet button, usually located at the top right or bottom of the screen. From the options presented, choose Wallet Connect. This universal protocol allows your Trust Wallet to securely interact with thousands of D apps. After selecting Wallet Connect, the D app will display a unique QR code. Open your Trust Wallet app, tap on Settings, then Wallet Connect and choose New Connection. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code from your computer screen. A confirmation prompt will appear in your Trust Wallet. Review the details and approve the connection to proceed. This process takes only a few seconds. Once you've approved the connection, your Trust Wallet address should appear on the D app's interface, indicating a successful link. You are now ready to engage with the D app, whether it's for swapping tokens, participating in staking, or exploring NFTs. For enhanced security, always remember to disconnect your wallet from the D app once you have finished your activities. This simple step helps protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.